Acting. Don't even complete that question. Acting. That's all I prefer. Always. I think that's what keeps me alive. That's what keeps me going. Hi guys, Namaskar. This is Ritvik, and you guys are watching me on Femina India. What inspired me to pursue an acting career was because I don't think I had any other talent. I think this is all that I could do. I couldn't do anything else to save my life. And I felt alive when I was on stage at the age of 15 years old, जब मैं पहली बार stage पे चढ़ा था. So I think that's when I fell in love with that space, and I was like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. And how did it start? Boycotting my parents, saying that I am not going to be a part of this family if you don't let me go to Mumbai. With a little bit of support from my mum, she let me come to Mumbai, and then like everybody else who comes to Mumbai, I started मैंने आराम नगर के चक्कर लगाना शुरू कर दिया और auditions पे auditions और I think उसके बाद तो बस शुरू ही हो गया. My first ad that I did was for FIFA World Cup in 2011, and उसके बाद से फिर मतलब समझ में आ गया कि यही करना है, ऑडिशंस पे जाना है, अच्छी एक्टिंग करनी है, समझ में आ गया तो आपको काम मिल जाएगा बस. और तब से लेकर अब तक वही चल रहा है. द कैरेक्टर दैट्स बीन द मोस्ट क्लोजेस्ट टू माय हार्ट इज अभय आंग्रे इन कार्टेल. इट्स ऑन MX Player. आई थिंक उस किरदार को मैंने अपने जीवन के 3.5 साल दिए. और आप प्लीज़ फॉर पीपल हु हैवंट सीन द शो, इट्स कॉल्ड कार्टेल, इट्स ऑन MX Player, प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच इट. You will know why the character is the most closest to my heart is because वो मैं हूँ ही नहीं कहीं से कहीं तक. ना पहनावे में, ना लहजे में, ना हरकतों में. It's the extreme opposite end of who I truly am, and it was so wonderful to play that under the supervision of a wonderful director called Suyash Wadavkar. So I think that's the closest to my heart. Acting. Don't even complete that question. Acting. That's all I prefer. Always. I think that's what keeps me alive. That's what keeps me going. It's very, very important to connect with my fans is because उनकी वजह से मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ. उनके प्यार की वजह से, उनके सपोर्ट की वजह से. So any chance and every chance that I get, चाहे वो इंटरनेट के थ्रू हो, चाहे वो हमारे सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू हो, चाहे वो राह चलते कहीं मुझे मिल गए, I want to try and give whatever time I have in my hand to them. उनसे 2 मिनट बातें करना, उनके बारे में जानना, ताकि उनको हमेशा से, अक्सर हमें ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं कहीं पे भी बाहर जाता हूँ तो with the love that I've been showered upon, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि everyone feels that हम उनके अपने हैं. So I want to live in that bubble. I want that feeling to always be there. Is why I try and probably talk to them as much as I can and be there in that moment to listen to them, to give them a hug or say thank you for supporting me. And it's very, very important to do that.